What's the meaning of cloying? Cloying. Cloying.
Cloying. Cloying. Cloying means something that is excessively sweet or sentimental, to the point of being unpleasant. It can refer to food, drinks, smells, sounds, or anything else that is too strong or overpowering. When something is cloying, it tends to overwhelm the senses and become nauseating or tiring after a while. It can also refer to emotions or behavior that are overly clingy or syrupy. Overall, cloying implies an excess of sweetness or sentimentality that becomes too much to handle.